Hello everybody, today I wanted to go over the OBS Studio software, kind of show you how to kind of set it up, just the basics. So start off with the, it should start out with a blank screen, just a black screen, right up through here. In order to fix that, you'll have to add a source. So you'll go down to the add, hit plus. Then if you want to be able to do it from just the main computer screen altogether, you'll want to go with the display capture. And since I've already got it, it's popped up for display capture too. So just go ahead and hit OK. Then this will take you to this screen right here. If you have multiple screens hooked up, multiple displays, you'll see a list through here, but since I just have the one, it is just the default selection. Then you hit OK, and then that'll be the second capture. Alright. And then in order to delete it, since I don't need it no more, I just select it, then hit the minus, which is going to remove it. Are you sure you wish to remove the capture? Yes. Alright then, and how I got this right here, the webcam footage, I went ahead and added the video capture device, which if you have not a dash cam, but a webcam on your laptop or computer, just separately, you can go and add it that way too. Similarly, it'll still pop it up, the default, if you already have one, but you can name it whatever you want to. So just go ahead and hit OK. Then, as you can see me right here, the only thing I did was, let's see, yeah, actually I didn't make any changes on this. I was kind of playing around with it, but I just left it the way it was because it worked perfectly for me. So just hit OK, and then you can see another one being popped up. All right. In order to kind of switch between what you want to see and what you don't, you'll see this little kind of like eyeball icon. You just click on it and see the other webcam just disappeared. Click it again and it reappears. So to go ahead and remove that, what I'll do is I'll just highlight it and hit minus. Sorry about that. Hit the minus to remove it. Are you sure you want to remove it? Yes. Now another issue that I did have when I first started out was the encoding. The encoding overload error. It pop up in the bottom left hand corner right here. So what I did in order to fix that, I went to the settings, which is right here. Then I went over to output. The encoder, I went to the lowest possible for the CPU usage. And whenever you first start out, if you don't change the recording format, it will come out as an FLV format. You don't want that unless you have Flash. But in order to change that, what you got to do, I can't change it now since I'm already recording. But what you will do is, you'll come to output, then come to the recording format, MP4. Well, it'll say FLV, and then just click on it. Then scroll down the list. You got I think about 7 or 8 different options to choose from. I went with the MP4, and whenever you get that done, just hit hit apply and then hit OK, and that'll save the new settings. And I also wanted to show you where I got this program from. You can search it on Google, OBS Studio. It'll take you to this one right here, the obsproject.com. That's one where you want to get the program from. Now here you can choose from Windows, Mac, or Linux. It's just whatever platform you use, and just go ahead and download it and get it installed. And if you have any more issues, oh yeah, one other thing that I was able to fix the overload issue with the encoding was I went to the Task Manager, Control-Alt-Delete on Windows, and popped up. Let's see. Go to Details, and whenever it loads up, it'll be the, where did it go? Yeah, OBS 64 executable. Mine's 64, yours might be something else, 32, but it'll be the OBS software. You want to hit right click on that, hit set priority to high. Whenever it's default, it's normal. You want to make sure it's on high, otherwise you'll run into that issue. Well, you might. So if you do ever have the issue, check that step and then go from there. And if it still doesn't work, let me know and I'll see what I can do to help you out with that. We'll go ahead and close out of that. And yeah, to repeat, the address is obsproject.com. That's where you can find the OBS Studio software. It is absolutely free. There are other features that I haven't really dove into yet. I'm just kind of getting the basics with it. I've only had it a couple of days, but so far it seems to be pretty nice. Other than the only issue I had so far was the encoding issue, but I was able to get that fixed pretty soon. All right. If you want to be able to check out more of my content, go to www.easypassiveprofit.com. I'll be posting a link in the video as well. Have a good day.